In automobiles, the heating of a car is a phenomenon not known to car owners. In this video we will give you the causes and the solutions adopted to solve the heating problem of a car. Install yourself and don't hesitate to like and subscribe to the channel. Many motorists are wondering what is causing their car to heat up. The main causes of a car overheating are as follows. Thermostat stuck in the closed position, dirty or clogged cooling radiators, malfunctioning cooling fan, improper use of coolant, air trap in the cooling circuit, clogged cooling circuit. Overheating an engine generally results in loss of compression due to defective head gasket or crankshaft bearings. It is important to know the solutions to take to solve a heating problem. Among which we have, clean its cooling radiator in the event of dirt within it, replace its thermostat. If it is defective, replace its cooling fan in the event of its defect. Noted well, it is important to fill its expansion tank, not good coolant. Case this one allows you to maintain your cooling circuit by preventing it from rusting and also allows you to keep its characteristics. Unlike simple water which evaporates. Also noted that you should purge the circuit after each filling of your cooling radiator. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on the video.